Welcome to our video on the life and legacy of Garrett Morgan. Born in 1877, Morgan was an incredible inventor whose contributions have had a lasting impact on our world. Before we dive into his story, let's start with a quick check-in. Would you rather sew your own clothes or grow your own food? In this video, we will explore the inventions of Garrett Morgan, discuss the challenges he faced due to systemic racism, and identify his enduring importance to society. Garrett Morgan was born in 1877 to formerly enslaved parents in Kentucky. At just 14, he moved to Cincinnati to find work, eventually earning enough to hire a tutor and continue his education. By 1895, Morgan had moved to Cleveland, gaining a reputation for his skill in fixing sewing machines. This success led to his first patent and the opening of his own business. His innovative spirit continued as he delved into new inventions, including hair refining products, receiving his first patent in 1912, and launching a company in 1913. Morgan is perhaps best known for his smoke hood. After seeing firefighters struggle, he designed a life-saving device, which gained national acclaim following a daring rescue in a 1916 tunnel explosion. Despite his heroism, Morgan faced significant backlash. City officials and newspapers initially ignored his role, and he was excluded from receiving medals from the Carnegie Hero Fund Commission. Business also suffered when people discovered he was black, leading some to cancel orders. Eventually, citizens in Cleveland recognized his contributions with a gold medal. Reflecting on Morgan's experience with racism, how far do you think we have come as a society today, and how much further do we need to go? Morgan's brilliance also revolutionized road safety. In 1922, he patented a traffic control device that introduced a third, warning position, a standard feature in modern signals. Beyond inventions, Morgan was a dedicated community leader. He helped found the NAACP in Cleveland, started a newspaper, and created a country club accessible to black citizens. Take a moment to watch this video highlighting the life and lasting contributions of the extraordinary Garrett Morgan. To wrap up, think about this. If you had the power to invent something that would improve our society, what would you create? For additional resources and more information on our initiatives, please visit the website on your screen. We appreciate your time. Please share your thoughts on the resources provided by scanning the QR code on the screen.